Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. So as friends, now we are doing the series of automatic writing, right? So in our last video I've covered this little bit disclaimer about automatic writing. Now I will be covering the topic called When We Communicate with the Dead, Are We Not Disturbing Their Soul? So, this is the topic which I will be covering in this video. And friends, before proceeding further, what I'm telling is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So, if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way. Apart from seeing each and every video, you will get a little bit confused. So, I request you to see sequence wise. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so I will start with the today's topic. And today's topic is, when we communicate with the dead, are we not disturbing their soul? Okay, so now let's see what Vipsi and Ratu have given answer to this question via Question Bhavnagri to us. To say that we are dead is wrong. We are more alive than you are on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that to think that those soul who have left this world are dead, it is completely wrong, because those soul are more alive than us. Your earthly life is just one more stop in an infinite journey. How can communication end where there is true love? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling our life, it is just a one stop. This earth is just a one stop of a journey. And loved to those soul whom we love, right? So our relation cannot end. Our relation will always be. We was having relation, we are in relation, and we will have relation with our loved ones in the spirit world. It is communication between soul, and soul never dies. Therefore, you need to change your understanding of death. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri, it is our understanding. Soul never dies. Soul is in long journey, and it just changes the costume as it is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. So soul never dies, right? What dies is your ego, your physical body. What remains is your soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling the thing which dies, that is our ego, our body, our but what remains, that is our soul. And soul is a pure thing, which is more alive, more vibrant, more loving than the person the soul is in communication with on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling in the spirit world they are more alive, right? And their soul are pure. They do not have any negative vibration, like any negative thing like jealousy or any type of negative vibration like hatred or any type of thing. We spirit soul have no body ache or pain, having discarded both our human and astral body. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling all the spirit soul do not have any body pain. As in earth world, many a times we tell my head is paining, my leg is paining, my stomach is paining. But there, as they do not have any body, so they do not have any body ache. So it's a very beautiful and an interesting thing about the spirit world. We are completely free. God has given us the choice to shape our own lives here in the spirit world just as on earth. So here on the spirit world, the souls are completely free. They can do anything. They have the complete freedom because God have they given them complete freedom to shape their soul for their spiritual development. We can choose to work that we like, pray, rejoice, gain information and spiritual knowledge when we like. So in the spirit world, they can pray to God, they can do spiritual activity, they can gain spiritual knowledge, whatever they want, whatever they like. So they do not have any bind, right? You have to do this or you have to do that. They are free, they have a complete free will. We are not bound by the physicality of your world, and we are led completely by subconscious mind. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling there they do not have any binding, and they are free to do whatever they want, and they are not bound by the subconscious mind that you have to do this or you have to do that. They're completely free in their world, which is our true spiritual mind. So when you communicate with us, you are not disturbing the dead because we are more alive than you are. So here Vipsi and Ratu is giving answer to this question, that if we communicate with the spirit world, we are not at all disturbing them because they are more alive. They are not dead. They are more alive than they were in this earth world, right? We are then because we are more alive than you are, even they are more alive than us also, right? Because we have limitation at a particular time, our thoughts are also limited, but there is no limitation, infinite. Nowadays young people are more open minded, so they are more receptive to the spirit communication, unlike their parents who are brainwashed and have fixed idea due to constant conditioning. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling about we young people are more vibrant toward the spirit world. We want to know what exactly is spirit world. We are interested in communicating with the spirit world. But our parents, as Vipsi and Ratu is telling, they are more brainwashed by our society. So they are in a constant conditioning that communicating with the spirit world may be wrong, or maybe some wrong things can happen, but it's completely true, and there is nothing wrong about that. So friends, today's topic which I covered was when we communicate with the so this topic came to an end, friend. Okay, so today's topic which we covered was when we communicate with the dead, are we not disturbing their soul? So this was the topic. And our next topic is what is automatic writing. So this I will be covering in our next video, friends. Okay. And friends, as I always say, I give number to each and every video. This is 81st video. So if you come by number wise, then you will understand it in a better way. Otherwise, it is going to be very difficult. First you come 1, 2, 3, then sometime you'll see 18, 21st. You will get confused. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like my video, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And always stay happy, friends. Always do good karma in your life. Always try to help others. And if you have any doubt about this video, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. I give answer to each and every question which is there in the comment section. And friends, you can do one more thing, that you can connect with me on Instagram. So I am more active there. You can direct message me, you can DM me. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it out. ABHIMANYU BHATTTACHARJE 1906. So if you message me, I will directly give answer to your question. So friends, bye. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and be happy, friends. Okay. Goodbye, friends. I'll meet in the next video. Okay.